Hi guys, it's your queen Andra Armada and I'm back at it again with a new video. This time I'm gonna show you guys how I styled a cosplay wig into this big sassy drag look. It looks like I'm an 80s version of Marie Antoinette. You agree? Okay. But I'm cute. Look at that. So this is the result of the styling process that I did, and if you want to know more details about how I styled this cosplay wig, then just continue watching this video, and please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram at hellomissarmada for any previews of my new videos and for any updates about my drag looks. Hey, what's up? So, hey guys, welcome to my living room and excuse the mess. I am in the process of braiding the hair. So this one does not have a lace front. This is a hard front cosplay wig in the color silver. So as you can see, I still have a few more strands or tracks to braid into. So this one has bangs in it, and as you can see, I just went in and braided those, and then I just followed that all over here on the top part. I just finished this one and I figured to record the process. So let's go. Alright, so I'm continuing with my braiding. This will replicate that crimped hair texture. Not 100%, but you'll get the idea. While braiding, you might notice the ends of the hair section would tangle and create its own braid. What I do is to have my teasing brush ready so that I can brush through the ends and release them from their tethers. Just continue on braiding and also check to make sure everything is even. This is to ensure that the strands are in the same pattern. You don't have to, since we'll tease all of it anyway, but I like it neat, so yeah. Finish off the braid with a hair elastic. Apparently it's called Sanrio here in the Philippines. Not sure if it's related to the Sanrio company. You know, the one that created Hello Kitty. You finished the braid. Congratulations. You're doing amazing, sweetie. I'm going to speed through this with the power of movie magic. Nah, it's just a fast forward. I'm making sure to separate the finished braids to keep them somewhat organized. And I'm just gonna use a hair clip for this. So here is the back part of the wig after braiding. And here's the front part. Notice the bangs are shorter and thinner. Now get a bucket without a mop because I'm soaking the wig in boiling hot water. I'm not soaking it too long. 10 seconds is actually enough for this. Just drain out the water and hang it up to dry. This is a wig hanging thing I bought online. It has a part that imitates a wig head, then it has a plastic handle on top to hang from. You can just hang the wig anywhere, to be honest, as long as it gets to dry completely. Once it's dry, we can now start styling the wig. My favorite part of this process, to be honest. I'm just undoing the braids one by one. This should go much faster since it's just removing the elastics and picking apart the braid. I went through the hair with the hairbrush just to really separate the strands and also to start the volumizing process. You can actually stop here and apply hairspray if you like this look, but I'm gonna tease the hair to make it huge. Just going in section by section and tease the top and bottom of the hair, making sure that the hair looks fluffy and the base is sturdy, enough that it doesn't fall down flat again. Once I'm done with a section, I'll just clip them away. To ensure that the tease stays that way, I use an extra hold hairspray to the section before teasing it. So now you can see the volume that the back section got from all the teasing and hairspray we did. Now we're on the top portion of the wig. It's important that I hold the section upwards rather than towards me while teasing. This is to ensure that the wig has additional height. Separating just the bangs, I'm now working on the sideburns of the wig. It's important for me to tease the sections around the back of it so that it doesn't look messy when viewed from the front. I'm starting the smoothing process for the front area. Not that this style needs super smooth texture anyway, but just to look presentable, for a style like this at least. I'm clipping both the sides to keep that lift from the face. Now for the bangs, I'm also teasing just the back portion of it. I'm checking to make sure that all of the hair in this section is teased up, so you can see me here going back and forth in this area. I'm parting the hair on the left side, but you can part it however you want. I'm sort of creating a hairline to soften that hard front. Kinda like making baby hairs. I'm just smoothing the surface of the wig right here. Once I'm satisfied with how it all looks, I'm sealing it with the hairspray and let it dry.
And there it is. That's a huge wig. Let me change into a dress and a beat face real quick. If you want to see me beat my face, that will be in my Get Ready With Me video. I'll be ranting about some stuff too, so you've been warned. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified. Again, this has been your queen, Andra Armada, and see you in the next video. Bye!